Welcome to another tutorial series with Run with Gentasad. We'll be covering web design and web development from idea to design to coding, then to host, eventually publishing the website. To be a practical based tutorial. If you need to see the theory part, you can visit my website, Digital Runners. I'll leave the link in the description below. You can also see the opportunities that are there as a freelancer, as a web designer on my other website, Gentasad. We will be covering all the tools that are available and the ones that are available on our disposal. Some free, some paid. So be ready to learn. As I said, it will be practical based. Thank you and see you.